how to fix Instagram restricted account removal problem. So if to fix a restricted account on Instagram, normally you can wait for an automated fix, right? So first stop all automated actions that you've allowed within the account, and any third-party apps that you've associated or downloaded, make sure to delete that. And most restrictions are temporarily lasting from only 24 to 48 hours, and in that case you can try to wait. Otherwise, what you can do is come to your profile page, tap the three lines from the top right hand side, scroll down under account status, and under it you'll find any type of restrictions on your account, right? So features you can't use or limits to your reach or anything like that if you violate any terms. So in that case you can select that options and see which of these limits you violate, and you'll be able to go ahead and then fix it. So I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.